share with you a journal that I've completed, and this one is it's called Lavender Hues, Hues I should say. This is from ARTYmaze, and I will link ARTYmaze below. This is the first time I've had a play with this kit, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I've used one of the background papers for the cover, and I've printed that out on cardstock, so I got one of my hairs stuck to that, and then it's onto some coffee dyed cardstock as well, and I've sewn all around the edges. It measures 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, and there are 100 pages front and back in this one, so it's kind of chunky for you know, a little journal. So I've done my usual layering on the front here with some music paper, some more ARTYmaze background paper. This was just a piece of ephemera there. Then this is one of the images from the kit, and then the word memories. These are a freebie on ARTYmaze's website, and I believe her Facebook group. So this will be for sale on my shop if anyone's interested. Let me see if I can get this undone without a knot. Excuse me. So as you can see, it is quite chunky. So I've just left the inside covers just coffee stained, and this is one of the pages from the kit. And I used again some of the background pages. I printed out, and then I backed them onto cardstock to make some pockets, and we've got some layering here with music paper, some crocheted trim, excuse me, a stamped heart. These are actually one of ARTYmaze's butterflies, and I just used my Prisma pencils and coloured it in like a purpley colour to match things in the kit. Got some stamping. Got a large journaling card here, which is coffee dyed, and it's got some shimmer to it. We have one of the journaling cards, and I just made that into one of these notebooks, and that's an idea from Climmy Creations, and that just tucks in the back there. We have a tag from the kit, which is backed onto coffee dyed cardstock, and then this is an envelope from the kit with a double journaling card inside there. So that all goes in there. We've got a doily, some edge punching, paper bag. This is from Tsunami Rose. I've got a tab on here. There's little bits of lilac and lavenders and purples on some of the Edith Holden book pages that I've used. This is from the old design shop. Then I made a big jumbo tag, just doing some layering, and one of the journaling cards from the kit, and I've stamped on the back. Here's some lined paper, another page from the kit, and excuse me, a pocket here with a cluster embellishment. And I just used some purple cardstock to punch out the butterfly. Another large journaling card, some ephemera here from Tsunami Rose. Another journaling card, excuse me. Another tag, which has been backed onto coffee dyed cardstock. Another doily, some more edge punching, some ledger paper. Here we just have a telegram with hummingbirds and a butterfly tag. Some more pages from the kits. Here I've just made up pockets, and I've left that open so you can, this little tag can be tucked inside there. I've just got some ephemera and a journal card from the kit, and these are just made into little booklets, and there's another one of them in here somewhere. Another doily, some edge punching, paper bag. This is from Tsunami Rose, Edith Holden. Here we just have another one of these. There's plenty of journaling space in this. and this is from the old design shop, and I've used the ruler to cut that so it's all raggedy. And that goes on there. Some more lined paper, centre of the signature, another one of these flip downs, little notebooks, and this is from the old design shop. Again, that's been torn using the ruler for the raggedy edges. Excuse me, I think I might need to take a drink. Edith Holden, Tsunami Rose, paper bag. It's another one of these pockets, again just the same collaging as the one in the front. Got a large journaling card, this is quite shimmery. Journal card here, a tag. This is an envelope, there's nothing in the envelope, you can put something inside there. We've got a butterfly tag and a monthly calendar. I've done loads of sewing the other day and oh, way too much. I've still got tons tons of things left that will be added to journals. Here I've done my flip up with a pocket. I've got a let's make on this tutorial process video, whatever you'd like to call it, and this is on my playlist called Let's Make. And there's quite a few things on there if you're interested in making some things for your journals. And this is the other booklet that I made. And a tag. And again, I just used one of ARTYmaze's butterflies from one of her freebie tags and coloured that in with my Prisma. So like I said, that's, oh, I've got a little envelope inside there as well. So, and then a little piece of notepaper from the kit. And this is from a different kit, but I used it because it had the kind of really dark purple flower on there, and I just thought it went well with the colours of this journal and the kit. Another jumbo tag, some layering, and then an image from the kit. Another tab on here, and then another pocket with a cluster embellishment. We have some ephemera, another large journaling tag, another one of these that folds down. I won't take that out because I've just shown you quite a few of them with the journaling card from the kits. And a tag, and that is the back. So that's the journal. Like I said, this will be linked listed in my shop if anyone's interested, and all the other links will be below. And I've got the playlist as well where you can see how I've made some of these things. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.